We are now taking a break as we have some wet boots or wet socks to change. This is a cool area. Got some giant rocks. Pretty sure this is all like one really big rock. Water coming down. We missed some excellent footage, unfortunately, because all hands were required of leaping over a creek, helping each other across. There was great teamwork, great spiritual applications. And this is cool, little baby falls. Alright, yeah, big young adult falls. Joe Donofrio surveying the scene. This is cool. Hope I'm not giving anybody motion sickness. I'm really trying not to. And we haven't reached 2 minutes, so I'm obligated to continue this video, even though that was all I wanted to see. We'll see this from far away. This is beautiful. There's our group, changing socks. Some people got some feet wet. Happens. Lots of extra socks, very important. I wish I could get lower and see this. Oh, there's people. Friends. That's really cool. That would be a very bumpy water slide. And there's not very deep water at the end, so I don't recommend it. But you could potentially slide down it, and it's covered in water. Look. This is cool. So many carvings. Is it a phone number?
No. Date.
Oh, it's a date. This is awesome. Lenny's is upset because he lost the tip of his walking stick. Look at that mustache. It's probably the focus of every close-up we've done on this trip so far, but for good reason.